So next we're going to do the crunchy stitch. So that is the crunchy stitch we are going to be doing, and so we are going to start with chain. So we're going to insert our hook like so, right, and then we make any number of chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make a slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. I'm sure by now you know how to do a slip stitch. So we're going to insert our hook, and then we're going to yarn over, and then we pull through. Now we've got 2 loops. Now we're going to pull through the other loop, and then we're left with 1 loop. Now into the following chain we're going to do a half double crochet. So we are going to yarn over, insert into that chain, yarn over, and then we pull through, and then we've got 1, 2, 3 loops on our hook. Then we yarn over, and then we pull through all 3. Again into the following we insert, right, we yarn over, and then we pull through, and then we pull through. Now into the following stitch after that, chain after that, we do the same. So this is going to be the pattern. We are going to just slip stitch, and we do our half double crochet into the following chain all the way to the end. So we're going to carry on till the end, and I'll be back when I'm done. So now I've reached the end. So what you're going to do now, we're going to chain 2, and we're going to turn our work. Now before you turn your work, you look at what your last stitch was, and our last stitch was a half double crochet. But if your last stitch was a slip stitch, then you're going to start with a half double crochet. But now my last stitch is a half double crochet, so I'm going to start with a slip stitch. So because I'm starting with a slip stitch, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to chain 1 and 10, right, and then into the first stitch there I'm going to do a slip stitch. And make sure that you do your slip stitches very loosely, so that you will be able to come back into them into the next round, because if you make them tight, it will be very hard for you to insert your hook into them. Now into the following stitch we're going to do a half double crochet. So basically we are doing half double crochets where we did our slip stitches, and we do our slip stitches where we on top of our half double crochets. See, next to every slip stitch there, and then I do my half double crochet. just have to carry on doing the same thing over and over again, placing your slip stitches on top of half double crochets and your half double crochets on top of slip stitches. Okay, so right now here I ended with the half double crochet, so I know I'm going to start with a slip stitch. So I'm going to chain one here and I'm going to carry on. So I'm going to start with a slip stitch here and then a half double crochet into that slip stitch. Now the next is half double crochet, so I do a slip stitch. Okay, so basically we're just repeating what we were doing. So that's how easy it is to do this crunchy stitch. It's very easy. But make sure when you're doing your slip stitches they are not keep on. You have something like this, right? We have come to the end of day 6 of our beginner crochet course. So if you've enjoyed, if you have learned something, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and I'll see you in day 7. Thanks for watching and bye.